Hey you guys, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're making another crochet wig. As you guys can see, it's the crochet wig season for me. I've been loving the vibes that the crochet wigs are giving me, so I'm here with another tutorial on how to make a crochet wig. This is a very detailed tutorial on how to make your crochet wig. I've also decided to try the Freetress crochet lace wig cap, so I'll be giving you guys my take on it and what I think. So first of all, one of the things I like about this wig cap is the fact that it's very big. I don't like wig caps that are too tight on my head. Like, it gives me headache. Like, having anything on my head for long gives me headache. So I like the fact that this wig cap is very loose and comfortable, and it's got the I think the clip at the back and two in the front, so I can choose to use one, because using too many clips gives me headache as well. So I also like the fact that the sides of the wig cap is got like big holes, so that way you can really skip spaces. You don't want to add too much hair to your hair. So the first thing I did was to crochet like an half circumference, like all the way around the wig cap. So that would be like my foundation of what I'm working with. And I did skip some space at the back. I believe it is like, it depends on you. Some people like to crochet just a tiny bit of hair at the back. I wouldn't be styling this wig up in a ponytail, so I see no need for that, and I didn't want the hair to be too full, so I went ahead to skip some space at the back. So the next thing right now is I'll be showing you guys how to crochet the wig in such a way that it doesn't get too full. So if you guys would notice that my wigs are spaced out, like the roll, each roll is spaced out, and then what I do is I crochet the next hair to cover up the hole. So it's basically like each gap you crochet another hair on top on another roll to cover up the space. So I did this all around, that way my wig doesn't get too full, and it's not too it's easier to manage. It's not too big, and you don't have to use a lot of hair. I believe for this I use a total of 1 pack of the hair and maybe a little bit more to use for my edges and all. So once you start getting towards the lace, like the very front, that's when you can now start crocheting very close together. Until then, you make sure that you please space out the crochet hair so that you don't get a big you don't get something looking too big at the end of the day. So I guess the only downside about this wig cap for me would be the wig band. When I was trying to crochet hair on the wig band, I needed more hair because the wig band was really big. So that's the only downside. Aside from that, wearing this wig and crocheting on it I had so much fun. I love it. So we're pretty much done this wig, and that's all about it. In this video I didn't show you guys how I achieved the baby hair and how I ended up styling this wig. I'll be putting that in another video that I'll be uploading soon, and that's because I didn't want this video to be too long. It was already getting long. I think it was about 5 or 6 minutes now. So I'll upload another video showing you guys how I styled this hair and how I added my baby hair to the front of this wig to give it that seamless natural look. Anyway, so thank you guys for watching, and keep on watching to the end to see what my baby looks like. Alright, so at this point I just went ahead to trim any excess hair I don't want. So trim away, and I'll be showing you guys what we're looking like soon. And if you're yet to be part of the family, go ahead and please hit that subscribe button so you get notified when we upload a new video. And don't forget to like and share this video to your friends and family. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.